Hey guys, Akash here. Hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect lamb cutlets, a fancy meal for you all at home. We'll serve the lamb cutlets with nice and buttery pumpkin mash, and for the sauce, we'll make a quick sour chive sauce. I want you guys to prepare this meal at home because it's gonna guarantee you the juiciness, the freshness, the celebration, and mostly important, look at this gorgeous, nice lamb cutlets. It's gonna taste awesome. So let's start with marinating these lamb chops with easy steps. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, salt, cracked pepper, some olive oil, and rosemary, because the combination of lamb and rosemary is next level. We'll take this off. We don't need this. Now we'll straight away chop this up. This herb has a very strong odor. The best part about this herb is it goes well with any sort of red meats. And if we need to do a fine chop, we can double chop it. We'll get a nice flavor for the lamb. This goes straight into the marination, and that much of herb gonna do a awesome job. We'll give a quick mix. Yeah, now we'll put our lamb chops and mix them well. So our marination is done now. We'll next start with pumpkin mash. And we'll try to keep it for like 10 to 15 minutes to get the best results. The best part about pumpkin is you can use them all. The seeds, the skin, and pumpkin of course. But nothing is wastage. I'm using just half of the pumpkin, and that much must be enough for 3 lamb cutlets. Pumpkin has a little earthy sweet flavor, which will contrast well with the lamb. We'll try to cut them in small dices so that it will cook easily and it will cook fast, as we all want to do the things fast, right? So now we'll get into the action straight away. We'll start off with butter, saute the pumpkin to make a pumpkin mash. 1 teaspoon of butter. It goes straight away in the pan. A quick stir. Seasoning. So we'll cook this pumpkin in medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes, and we'll make the sauce in the meantime. Pumpkin is cooking. Now we'll make a quick chive sour sauce. So for that, it's a very easy recipe. It's just 2 minutes chops of chives. So like 2 or 3. Just we can chop it real quick. Yep. We don't need any fine chop or thick chop because anyways it's gonna have a quick paste, a smooth paste. So just chives and 1 bread croutons, like just a bread just cut into small cubes, that goes into the blender. Sour cream, and then we'll give a quick blend. That's it. So our mixture is ready for the sauce. I just added a little water. See, I got a nice frothy sauce for our lamb. It's gonna complement the dish so well. So now our nice and buttery pumpkin is ready. Don't worry, I'm not gonna add cream. We're gonna add nice coconut cream. So why coconut cream? Because the combination and the flavor match of pumpkin and coconut cream is next level. See, our pumpkin is soft now. Now we'll add coconut cream, just a little. Yeah, we do a quick mix. Oh, look at the mash, a quick and fast mash, nice and buttery. The flavor combination of pumpkin and coconut, earthy sweet flavor. Don't worry, with this mash you don't have to strain them and go for a long procedure. You just gonna smash this with the spatula in the pan straight away and you can finish in the pan. That's the best part about this. See, this is almost done. We got a nice and smooth pumpkin mash without any hard work. So now we'll quickly cook this lamb cutlets in a pan with lots of butter. Lamb chops straight in the pan. We'll cook these cutlets for 2 minutes both the sides to get a nice golden brown color. Turn this off. Yeah, this side is done. Got a nice crust, a good color. Now I will add some more butter and do a quick basting. So what basting means, I will show you. So basting means this. See, it's gonna be nice and buttery and we'll cook this in a pan. Now it's done. Both the sides got a nice golden color and seems like it's cooked. So generally I like our lamb cutlets are medium rare, so I will start taking off from here. But if you want to cook it more for a medium, you can cook it for like 2.5 another minutes to get it more cooked. Our lamb cutlets are done. Now we'll take it out. So all the meats, it always need a resting. So we must take it out on time. And it's not proper medium rare. It's a little bit less than that because it's gonna carry over cooking. So that means because of the heat, it keeps cooking. So now everything is done and we'll do a quick plating. So now I'll start putting the mash. Start putting the mash in the middle of the plate. Smooth frothy chive sauce on the side. And the legends at last. We'll add some chives for garnish, 2 little cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of nice olive oil. That's it. All done. Look at this nice and gorgeous lamb cutlets, all in a same plate. The nicely cooked lamb, the pumpkin mash, the chive sauce. It's next level. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So please like, share, subscribe and comment for more upcoming videos. Thank you.